Westside, Bankhead,
Mixtape
Orange
Monopoly
Park,
hoe.
everything y'all did, it been done. My true game, my shoe
This is
game,
Indio Radio,
can't touch this
certified
shit.
banger.
Bitch said hollering about fuck me. Nah, fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Bitch said hollering about fuck me. Nah, fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch.
This wine ain't hitting like I thought.
It's not making you
Like
drunk.
it's good, but it's not like
Get you drunk. Oh yeah, it is creep up on you. You ain't drunk enough of
you
it.
know how many cups I had. Wait, this is the second. That's off the guard. But I'm used to it.
He don't want to get on the camera, y'all.
Tell me stop being nosy.
Tell him to stop being what?
Stop being nosy.
Hey babes, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm great. I see you trying to lie me, but I'm just starting my show. Lie me back in a little bit.
Okay, can you help me? Can you explain to me how this whole thing works? Because this is my first time even live.
Oh, this is your first time even lying it? Are you a host?
I guess.
No, you're not a host. You just go online.
Okay,
This
I'm just going live.
this your first time.
This is my first time going live on this platform. Yes.
Okay. So let me tell you, once you become a host, you're gonna get an agency leader. Once you become a host, you can make money off of here if you gonna go live and do your content and draw people to your live. But baby, it's the best thing is start gifting first, and then get to know people, and then you'll be able to gain a following that way.
Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you. I appreciate you coming up.
And this is the first like gifting app. You know, all the other apps is not about no money. But over here, you make money. You can make good money over here. If-
Really? So I need to upload some money and gift people and meet people
yeah,
and
yeah,
then become a
yeah.
host.
But be careful, be strategic of who you meet, and make sure you sit back and watch because everybody that you give is not worthy of that. You know, you just sit back and watch everybody.
Okay. Guys, so this is like a full-time thing, sounds like.
Yeah, it can be full time. It can be full time, but it's 2 hours a day. Um, um, 2 hours a day. If you're a host, if you want to be a host, you can do 2 hours a day. You know, but I do sometimes 5 and 6 hours. This is my career. I'm doing this, but because I'm an entertainer. I'm an entertainer. If you look at my numbers, I got 1.6 million followers, and look at my beans.
Okay. I will. How do okay, let me see. Tell me, how do I follow you so that we can become
Tap on
friends?
tap onto my name. I'm gonna follow you. Just tap onto my name and just hit information
I
and then
I
follow.
got you.
And then
All right, there we go. Thank you. And it's Trina,
yes, comedian Trina B.
comedian.
I'm an internet personality. I cross dress sometimes. I'm a comedian.
Do you?
Yes, I talk a lot of shit.
Oh wow.
Very controversial. I have these motherfuckers in uproar on this app.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, well listen, I appreciate your help.
All right, babes. Just keep watching. Make sure
All
you
right.
watch my show every morning at 8 o'clock. I'm on every morning at 8, from 8 to until about 1 every day. So,
Wow. Okay, I shall. I will.
all right, thank you. And come in
All
there
right, thank you.
and get a kiki and get
I
a.
will watch. Absolutely. It's important.
It's all content. So, so, so,
Okay.
so you may hear something you may dislike about or disagree with, but I'm I'm a motherfucker. You know, I'm always gonna go against the
Well,
grain.
that's life. Oh, that's tight. I love it. Yeah, be you. That's important, right?
Yes.
I love it.
All right, babe.
Okay.
Hope
All right.
hopefully to see you.
Yeah, I'll see you. I will see you.
All right. Bye bye.
Bye, Trina. All right, peace.
Bye bye. If you talk about my son, if he was a child molester, I'll support him, bitch. He's still my son. I still gonna love him. I ain't gonna turn my back on my motherfucking son. If he was a child molester, bitch, get your bitch ass up out of here. Get your bitch ass up out of here, you fuck ass pussy asshole. If he was my son, bitch, I'm here to love him. And y'all, pray for Maine, y'all. Pray for DJ Maine. Pray for DJ Maine. He lost his son tonight. Pray for DJ Maine. He lost his son tonight in a senseless murder. His son was killed tonight. His son was killed. I called him to get him on the show here, and he was just broken. He had just found out, and I just lucky to be the one to call him to hear what he said. But pray for him. His son got killed tonight, and he was supposed to graduate next week. So pray for him. He was hysterical when I called him. He is not doing too good, and he should not be doing too good after something like that. He lost his son to a senseless murder or a senseless crime. He said his son was killed. So I don't know how he was killed or what happened. Wherever Maine is, I don't know where it happened, but his son was killed today. Just pray for him. I don't know when it happened, how it happened. You have to get details from him. All I know that God is good and God is great, even in the midst of that. It's a hard pill to swallow when you lose a child. I can only imagine what he's going through. Just pray for him. Just pray for him. DJ Maine, son got killed tonight. He's a loving spirit, y'all. This is loving. He got a lot of love to give. Just keep praying for him, y'all. I almost broke down in tears with him, cause I'm just calling him to ask him about DJ Maine. Bro, son got killed tonight. Well, earlier today. He was gonna graduate next year. He was finna graduate next year. Next month. Next week. He was about to graduate next week. I don't know. I don't know all the details.
My new book, Keyboard Rich, How Anyone
Yes.
Can 6 Figures from Home with a Simple Bookkeeping.
Sure did. Just as easy.
But to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire. It's my empire. And yes, I call shots. I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon a vampire. In this very moment I'm king. In this very moment I slay the life with the sling. This very moment I bring whatever everything that I will retire with the ring. And I will retire with the crown. Yes, no I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens is crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't face me. Ain't big cocky, bitches vindicated. Let's believe that what we done is moment will be syndicated.
Let me tell y'all some of this right here. Let me tell y'all, this wine right here is the best.
Greatness is what we gonna drink of. This moment
Get this in your life. Get that in your life. It's sweet. It's good. That's the first red wine is very sweet. Yes. My best friend introduced me to it. I'm introducing this to y'all. I'm introducing this to y'all. Y'all take a screenshot. Make sure y'all get it.
Hey, Uncle. I tried it. It's bitter tasting to me, but however, I like it. I like it. I like it though.
Listen to you is sweet.
It is good. It is good. But you know what? To me, I have like a different really taste bud on that. So you say it's sweet. I no. I just like it's just like a bittersweet tasting to me. But I do like that. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like.
It don't give me no bitter. Yeah, I love Moscato. Yes. Yeah, she must drink Moscato. That's why she don't think that's good. That's why she say that's bitter, because it's a red. Smooth can kiss my dick. What Smooth got beef with me for? That pussy nigga can kiss my dick.
I said it's bittersweet. It's bittersweet to me. That's all. I'm not throwing it against the wall. You know what I'm saying? I'm not wasting this shit over a bitch ass motherfucking nigga that I can throw that shit up against the wall on. I'm gonna drink it, but it's like a bittersweet taste to me. That's all. But I'm not saying it's nasty. It's good. Hell, I've got it a few damn times. Damn.
All right. All of me, hey. You got that red stick coming out of it.
I got artists in the streets, nobody heard.
Bam! 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 I seen that. You toothless ass bitch. Her teeth came out on the side. I saw it. That's snagger too, bitch. Oh, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, bitch. I'm feeling it, bitch.
I don't dance now, I make money move. Said I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a
Bam! Bam!
She show up in it. She shake it like jelly. I'm in business Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. We don't get that daddy. He like him already. He got the work, but I'm just still ready. And I'm ready to spot on my head. I'm happy when he eats my honey. You don't think it's all bitches with money? I get a lot. Take your spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name, I swear I always stay hot. Pass the princess, he pass me his knob. That's the bitch from my block. Me and Max be getting along. So they always be singing my song. Stepping outside, I'm gonna put that shit on. 300 and then I perform. You know I'm gonna get to the bag. All the hanging bitches to the back. Too much to lose, so I cannot react. Damn, bitches be going outside. Shit, that shit's going up in. She shaking like jelly. I'm in business Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. We're not just getting ready. You like him already. And I'm ready to spot on my head. Feeling a switch and I'm chilling my Gucci. BJ's not really a Gucci. I'm the right bitch, like shout out to Lucy. And she back it out, let us seduce me. I'm the shit on that bitch, I'm his movie. Juice in my cup, got me feeling real loopy. 40 years for the party. He got all my bitches hard. Girl like Gary, so flow me the hardest. I'm not a regular artist. Go cool and I'm just getting started. Bangs on bangs, they know how to move. Hooters on hooters, they know how to move. Pussy that pack boy straight to the moon. Off the juice, acting loose. She a man, she showing up in it. She shaking like jelly. I'm in business Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He got the walk, but I'm just ready.
That's that Nikki.
I'm ripping the regular, bloody fall. I swear to God, they ain't wanna see me in the club. Gotta put my shit in they skin and show me love. They rather see me on the floor, trapping at the club. I guess I really gotta show me love.
Babe. What are you doing?
I put in work now, I'm here at the front line, ready for the bullshit. Touch mine, give me some sign, don't climb, bitch, whip it.
I love bass. Hey, I love bass. I love bass. Hey, babe. Got your man looking for me, bitch, like a motherfucking hound dog. Oh, oh, oh.
Hello?
Oh.
What's next with Florida Blue? Let's talk mental health by talking,
I'ma play it,
but also by
his
moving,
teeth fell out on the
and
ground.
by not moving. Wow, you look relaxed. Let's find your health solutions. Florida Blue.
I'm pushing back. I'm pushing back. I'm pushing back. I'm pushing back. I pop back on you motherfucking hoes, bitch. And you hoes still getting mad, bitch. In your motherfucking feelings, bitch. And when you trying to take me out, bitch, I pop back. I pop back on you motherfucking hoes, bitch. I pop back on you motherfucking hoes every time, bitch. I'm a legend at this shit. I pop back on you motherfucking hoes, bitch. I pop back on you motherfucking hoes, bitch. I pop back on you motherfucking hoes, bitch. You bald head, ugly, raggedy mouth asshole. You thought I was gone, bitch. I'm back again, hoe. I pop back on you hoes, bitch. I pop back on you hoes, bitch. Pop back when you're on your hoes, bitch. I pop back on you motherfucking hoes, bitch. But when you thought I was gone, bitch, you thought that shit was gonna take me out game, bitch. But motherfucker, I motherfucking stand the mother test the motherfucking time, bitch. I'm built above a fucking steel, bitch. If y'all don't like that motherfucking shit, bitch, whatever you hit me with, bitch, I get up, bitch. I bounce back, bitch. I bounce back. I bounce back, bitch. I bounce back, bitch. I bounce back, bitch, like that, bitch. I bounce back, bitch. I bounce back, bitch. I bounce back just like that, bitch. You can't hold a motherfucking G down, bitch, with no motherfucking lies, bitch. Even if ain't no motherfucking lie, bitch, I get up and live in that shit, bitch. I bounce back, bitch. I bounce back, bitch. I bounce back, bitch. I bounce back. I bounce back, bitch. I bounce back. That's a real motherfucking legend shit, bitch. A real legend don't lay down, bitch. They get up with all motherfucking on their motherfucking head, bitch. I bounce back. I bounce back, bitch. I bounce back. I bounce back, bitch. I bounce back. Get off his leg. Try to hunt your leg. You see what he trying to do? hunched your leg.
No, you're not.
Yes, he did.
He's chilling. Leave him alone.
Yeah, you should have hunched your leg
Leave him
then.
alone.
And let him hunch your leg then.
Say stop bitching. Say stop bitching.
Let him hunch your leg.
Damn, Johnson.
These pussy assholes. These pussy assholes. Ooh, I like this beat. Hey, bitch, I got some motherfucking man, bitch. You don't motherfucking like that shit, bitch. I'm a motherfucking cougar, bitch. I get your motherfucking man, bitch. You don't like that motherfucking shit, bitch, because this pussy tight and still good, bitch. I'm a motherfucking cougar, bitch, and take your motherfucking young man, bitch. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking cougar, bitch. Rah, cougar, bitch. I'm a motherfucking cougar, bitch. Oh, cougar, bitch. I'm a motherfucking cougar, bitch. Cougar, bitch. I'm a motherfucking cougar, bitch. Cougar, bitch. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking cougar, bitch. Hey. This was the real good on fleek, bitch. It stay motherfucking tight, bitch. Let me teach you a whole song, bitch. Stop giving your pussy up every night, bitch. Your pussy loose with no juice. Your pussy loose with no juice, bitch. How you gonna motherfucker think you are gonna eat it up, bitch? And your pussy dry, bitch. You young hoes ain't got no good pussy. You young hoes better motherfucker listen, bitch. You young hoes ain't got no good pussy. Your pussy ain't even clean, bitch. Don't even know how to do that pussy right, bitch. Don't know how to properly clean that pussy, bitch. You just... I'm a cougar, I'm a cougar. 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 They dance around.
But I'm jumping around.
That one. I need y'all to run it up in here, y'all. I need y'all to run it up. I ain't embarrassing y'all.
Tell them to get you the a box. How many stars you want?
I ain't on that many stars. I ain't been on that long.
No, I'm saying like what star you want? You're not even on the...
Oh, 3 stars.
3 stars.
Why do medals get all the glory? When I wanted to get out there, I found you. You kept me grounded in tricky situations and always knew just how to come.
I'm glad you know BIGO, so I don't have to explain it.
Who is it? You saucy.
You're not doing that. Why you looking like that?
These hoes. These hoes.
Then I'm with.
let y'all see him one day, y'all. I'm gonna show him. We reading the comments, y'all.
Ooh, is it you sausage?
He's real close. Don't get ready.
Yo, they funny as shit.
You got 3 weeks. You got 3 weeks. You get the 30th birthday. Bitch, you got me fucked up.
Tell them if they give you to a box out there. They got to give you a box.
He said, y'all get me to a box, he'll show himself.
Ooh, is it you sausage?
Yeah, he worth it. Is he worth it? I said, yeah, he worth it.
He what?
I said, yes, he's worth it. He's a good nigga, y'all. He's a sweet nigga. He seems sweet right now. He seems like he's a good nigga.
You said what?
He seemed like he's very good. Seemed like a very good nigga. See, he came out of his element and came here. He don't know nobody here.
I know who?
I said, you don't know nobody here. You came out of your element and came here.
Oh, yeah.
Wave your hand, Kim.
For what?
Yeah, wave your hand. Tell me hello. You see him? Yeah, I don't give you his BIGO ID.
ID.
I don't even know.
Yeah, you know. This shit not hitting. I'm like, I get fucked up off of like, you know what I'm saying?
You drink.
Yeah, I drink down and I'm not even feeling shit. This is light.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get there. I'm like, what the fuck?
You gotta drink it.
Like this ain't, this, how much was this? Cheap wine. See, that over there, I drink that. That's on the shelf.
That's not cheap.
Well, I ain't feeling shit.
That wine right there expensive. Cheap.
You know how many cups I didn't had?
You only had this be your 3rd cup. You acting like you drinking a whole damn lot. You have not drinking and then you drinking that little glass. They're talking about how many I don't have.
So,
That's not a whole lot.
alright. You baby sipping. You want more? Have a little more.
I'm giving you take that glass and I take this.
No. Why? Nah, you trying, no.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna give you this much. This how much you want. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
They're a mess. They be wanting to see. They be wanting to see, babe. Tell you they be wanting to see. You give them a thrill by letting them see.
Somebody in the box. Who trying to come up? Add that person.
Hey, Trina Boo. Trina, is that the husband?
I mean the guy that I was engaged to know. And I got rid of that motherfucker
All right.
for a real nigga.
She funny. She's just like, I don't have nothing else to say after that.
Hey, Trina. Hey, do he know you stupid?
No,
Because if he does, you better keep it.
ate my motherfucking toes, bitch, with your stupid ass.
You, they can't take you.
Trina, you better watch this young buck. He might get drunk and knock you between the washer and the dryer, bitch. You know how your mouth get, ho. That young nigga might fuck around and knock you, bitch.
Yo, she funny. Right. She funny.
And knock me between the watch. Sorry, knock me between the watch.
Hey, Trina, I got disconnected for some reason. My Wi-Fi. Do he know you stupid? I've been knowing you've been stupid for a long time.
Be kissing my ass.
You're not even running them up. Like, what the fuck?
Oh, they will though. Just the right people ain't in here. I'm gonna show your face. Show your face, babe.
No. Until you get to a box. Until you get to a box.
My bad, man. Goddamn sailors.
Oh, my socks got dirty as shit.
Yeah,
I should have
you do it and why you walking around in white socks?
I know. I should have got my slippers from the bag. But I'm gonna take them off then. You said what?
Hold up, Trina. Is he trying to say your flow dirty?
No, he's just walking around. You know, no matter what you do, you can clean this motherfucker up 9 times. You walk around with white socks on, your motherfucking socks gonna get dirty.
Mm, okay. Cause I ain't like that. Don't play in his face like that, little boy.
She
Do not play in his motherfucking face. We don't play about him,
His
okay?
feet ain't dirty like that. No.
Yeah, my feet ain't
We
dirty.
don't we don't play about him. You just know that much. We'll find your motherfucking ass.
Mm.
Miles not dirty. He'll tell you that.
Listen, watch your cup because he might try to drug you and steal everything you got. We don't trust him. So you make sure you cover your cup. We don't trust him.
Damn.
Y'all mess. He ain't gonna do nothing like that. Um, he ain't what that boy that did Dre Zay like that. What's
Trina, don't tell me you done went and found Detroit Nike
who?
and done brought them to your house. Now you done got dumped by.
Yeah, you got Detroit Nike, bitch. Y'all.
Way better than Detroit Nike.
Hey, Trina, I'm glad he there, man. Help get him some coloring books and help you read.
I love all y'all. I love y'all. Get his motherfucking ass, ho. Get his ass. God. Get his ass, ho.
That cup cold, man.
The comments is funny as fuck. It will say, this foo-foo's just coming up here. Like, what? Why y'all not showing the
Hey, Trina, see if he'll help you sound out some of your words and I get some coloring books or something, and then y'all be.
coming up here and you keep adding this?
that last person keep coming up here, but he not funny.
Yeah, he.
But Trina, on a different note, did you see Ashley T fall out her mouth?
I got the video, bitch. I got the video.
Trina! Wait, because she was trying to lie and say that it wasn't. That didn't happen until, until Dre Baby kept playing it back. Oh my God. This fucking app been cutting up these last days.
That bitch T came out. I seen that shit.
Trina, quit laughing and being nice to us. Treat us how you usually treat us. Cuss us
Fuck
out.
you, bitch. You know
Let them see how
I
you usually. That's right. Let
no,
them see how you normally talk to us.
no,
Stop
baby.
laughing and
He
acting
know
like you
I
talk to us.
sugarcoat nothing. He know
No,
me. He
cuss us out and wish us dead, like you do every night. Don't try to be nice and laughing like we got company and we supposed to be nice because we got company. No, treat us how you normally.
that bitch like to be treated dirty. That bitch like to be treated dirty.
Hey, what she said?
That shit.
Bitches be like, when company come over,
Trina.
oh, I'm so nice. No, bitch, once that company leave, you gonna dog us the fuck out, bitch.
Trina, this wild NYC chick, you don't remember me?
No way.
How you doing? You been okay?
Yeah, you been I,
When you coming to New York to give me some dick?
That lad bitch that came up here and said, "Oh, Trina don't do nothing." She like to be
You
knocked
know,
out like TKO and Brandon. She love that motherfucker shit with her raggedy eyes. Damn, that bitch love to get fucked in her fucking ass and in her mouth like TKO and Brandon, bitch.
I tell
Trina. Trina, when you coming to New York to get me some dick? You keep laughing. I'm not playing with you, boy.
stupid. What I got, babe?
Have a DJ.
Trina.
He don't ever did.
Yes, he do. That's mine. Like Trina's so fine. I love you, Trina. But yeah, I'm trying to like Trina.
Your
Can I gift you to hit me on the back end and tell me how I get my old account? You sitting there laughing and giggling. This nigga about to give you some dick. He about to give you some.
you
The fuck?
I'm gonna get some.
I put my black ass and this black pussy on this fucking camera. Don't play with me, bitch. So yeah, Trina, I love you. You so handsome to me. I want you so bad. Remember me? I used to always gift you down boots, bitch. Don't fucking try to act brand new in front of that nigga. But yeah, Trina, can I hit you on the back end and you tell me how to get my account back? Because I don't remember I don't remember the phone number that's associated with the account. So I could gift you again.
Phone number that's associated.
I
You
don't remember the phone number, baby. Like I changed my phone number like I changed my drawers.
you gonna make your whole another account then, baby. You don't remember the phone number.
Oh man, I gotta start all over. A 500,000 cents account. Like that's just so messed up. All right, Trina, I love you.
All right.
And when you ready to come to New York and give me some dick.
You gotta
When you
remember.
ready to come to New York, excuse me. When you ready to come to New York and give me some dick,
I
lay me some dick down, let me know, baby. All right, daddy? I love you.
damn.
Shut
But
the fuck up, nigga. Mind
I
your
told
business, bitch. I'm trying to get
I
some of
told you
Trina dick.
AJ
Oh, fuck.
no dick.
Oh, that mouth, your mouth been on that dick. Okay, I got you. All right, you like that dick. All
Just
right,
do
it's good. I know it's good because you going to
I just
bat for it.
You funny.
I
I
just
know you
wanted to
like that
say
dick.
before
That dick is
y'all
good, huh? I know it's good. I know that dick good because you screaming and yelling and hollering in the background. I'm talking to Trina. Here you go, fucking be in the background, bitch. Because
I,
yeah, okay. But I got real pussy. My pussy's better than yours. My pussy better than
yeah, play that.
Ooh,
yours.
Trina
I can
feeling
see it.
drop her. It's enough. Trina, I just wanted to say before y'all go upstairs, could you show him the picture of your ashy booty so he'll know what he about to get
I
into?
mean,
That picture,
he know what my booty look like.
that picture of that ashy booty so he'll know what he about to.
He know what my booty look like. Don't you, babe?
Hmm.
Hey Trina,
Yeah.
uh, what's his name? Your friend?
I ain't giving you his name. His name.
Oh well, ask him if you remember when his dick was leaking green stuff when he fucked Jaden. Do he remember that?
What's wrong with that, man?
Did he get that fixed?
You damn right. He got that fixed. He better.
Oh well, be careful, Trina. Wear a condom, cause he was leaking green shit out his dick after he fucked Jaden. He made a video about it and everything. So just be careful.
I know what he made. He don't. I remember everything. But Jaden a nasty bitch.
They all on my dick. One about what my dick doing. Like what?
He ain't gonna have to worry about that.
That for them bitches catch STDs every day. Like that is crazy. I'm about to head this way tonight.
Hey, Trina, I want to send you something to your Cash App. What's your Cash App, Trina?
You said what? Hold that. What you say?
Auntie Trina, that sound like some young dick over there. You about to get your bag blew out. You gonna be up in the morning cooking breakfast, singing and dancing and everything for us. I can't wait for the morning show, y'all.
Regular.
Mm-hmm. Y'all ignorant as a motherfucker.
Just said like, what you thought you was doing? Like,
Just let us see his hand, Auntie. Just let us see his hand. Put your hand right there, young, and let us see. Put it up there. Put it up there. Hurry up.
what's my name for?
Put the hand right there. Put the hand right there. Let us see. Oh yeah, he young. Oh yeah. Blow that back out, young, and blow it out.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, why y'all always go for like young men? Like, why you
I
like young
go
boy?
for younger men. I go for you.
Nah,
Tell them what you did. You came for who?
I came for you. I did.
You sure did. Oh, told y'all I didn't go for y'all. Know he came for me. I've been knowing him way before Jada knew him.
Yeah, I knew him way before Jaden. For real, for real.
Fuck that bullshit. Let him smack the fuck out of you right here, right now. Goddamn it, show his hand. Smack the fuck out of your funky ass.
Yo, they funny as shit. I like them already.
They crazy.
Somebody else coming up. Oh, we got two.
I'm telling you right now, tomorrow, Trina gonna be up here looking like Miss Doubtfire, cussing people the fuck out.
My tooch is better than hers. It rolls.
Let me leave this to any motherfucker that got a problem. Okay, hold on.
Trina sister.
What's going on, sister?
Girl, did you see China 2 fall out and do the stank leg, sister? Oh, woo.
This song is all for all the women out there
Y'all,
that's got
hold
a
on.
man
Wait, hold on.
and he got some kids and a baby mama or whatever out there. I want you to know that your pussy what? You gotta let that hoe know what? Your pussy's what? Better than who? What? Hers. My pussy better than 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 hers. It gets wetter. It tastes a lot better. It grills and it's not cider. My pussy is better than hers. My pussy is better than hers. My pussy is better than hers. Tastes just like that Sunday dinner that your mama used to cook every Sunday. They taste just like that sweet potato pie. Oh, oh, my pussy is better than hers. They roll like a lion. It has its own kingdom. It's the ruler of all nations. My pussy better than hers. It rolls. It rolls like a lion. It has its own kingdom. It's the ruler of all nations. My pussy better than hers. It rolls. It rolls like a lion. It has its own kingdom. It's the ruler of all nations. My pussy better than hers. Oh, it rolls like a lion. It has its own kingdom. It's the ruler of all nations. My pussy is better than hers. My pussy is better than hers. Girls, I'm out here looking for my kitty. Hello, see my kitty.
Hey yo, what's up? This TV Killer. I hope you enjoy the content that you just watched. I need you to do me a small favor. Hit the description box, click on the beacon link, follow me on all social media platforms, including Rumble, where I put all the exclusive content that I can't put on YouTube. You know, all of the cussing and the fussing. Yeah, TV Killer forever.